Here are some free online storage services that you can try. First of all is Google Drive. Go to google.com/drive. Next one is OneDrive from Microsoft at onedrive.live.com. And we also have Dropbox at dropbox.com. So let's first look at Google Drive, which I also use extensively. So Google Drive offers you 15 gigabytes of storage space for free. However, it is shared between different Google services like Google Drive, Google Photos, and Gmail. So 15 gigabytes is actually a lot for you to use for a very long time. Next, we have Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive offers you 5 gigabytes of free space. Yes, only 5. You can click on the plans here to see other alternatives. Otherwise, you can just stick to their free plan of 5 gigabytes. And we also have Dropbox. Now, Dropbox offers the least free space, which is a mere 2 gigabytes. So if I were you, I will always go back to Google Drive. Well, you use this a lot, especially when you're storing your data or photos from your phone. So if you have an Android phone, if you have your Google account, so you could actually back up all your emails, photos, and even your files on a single Google account, which shares that 15 gigabytes across all Google services.